Ever sent a Docusign document and then spotted a tiny mistake? Don't worry, you can fix it before everyone signs. First, log into your Docusign account. You'll see your dashboard. With all your envelopes, find the envelope containing the document you need to edit. It's usually under Actions Required or Waiting for Others. If it hasn't been fully signed yet, click on the envelope to open it. Once the envelope is open, look for the Correct button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button is your gateway to making changes. Now, you're in the editing interface. You can navigate through your document just as you would normally. If you need to unsign a signature field to make a change, simply click on it. See, the signature field is now deselected, allowing you to access and modify the underlying text or data within that field. You can also add, delete, or move fields if necessary at this stage. For text-based corrections, simply click on the field you want to edit and start typing your changes. Docusign makes it straightforward to update any information directly within the document. Once you've made all your necessary corrections and updates, you'll need to finalize them. Look for the Send or Continue button, usually at the bottom or top right of the screen. Clicking this will save your edits and reroute the document for signing. And that's it. You've successfully edited a document in Docusign before it was fully signed, ensuring accuracy and maintaining complete control over your important paperwork. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.